Okay, welcome back to another fine Nemo Academy video. We have a live classroom taking place right now, so this is something that we're going to give it a try. If you hear anything inappropriate, I apologize. We have some inappropriate students that, when a microphone turns on, they can't control themselves. So, anyways, we're going to jump ahead to what we're going to try and solve is a combination method. So, the key to when you see a problem like this, and let's say John put you on the spot. Do you know where you would start? And it's okay to say no.
No.
No idea. So with the combination method, what's jumping out at me is that you can see, and I can't see my finger. You have a 2 here and a 4 here. Now those, as we know, go hand in hand a lot because 2 times what is 4?
2.
2 times 2, right?
Yeah.
And with the combination method, where we multiply and then we add or subtract, right?
Yes.
So we want to the goal is to try and take this 2 and turn it into a 4. And what's really good is that this is a positive 2 and a negative 4 there. So if we turn that into this 2 right here into a 4, a positive one, wouldn't it cancel out with the 4 underneath it?
Yes.
Yeah. So, Namra, what do I have to multiply the red equation by to turn that 2 into a 4?
Okay,
2.
2, right?
But what did you do with -2? Because this is -2. I mean, this is -4, right?
Well, we wanted to cancel out. So we want a positive on the top and a negative on the bottom.
Okay.
So I'm going to take this top equation and I'm going to multiply it by 2. And what I'll get is 14x. And then when I multiply it by 2, I got to multiply everything by 2. So I get 14x plus, now this just becomes 4y equals a -1. And in this equation, it doesn't change. Whoops. Sorry. This equation doesn't change, so we're just going to move it right underneath this one. But what's cool now is that we can start canceling items out.
I get it.
So, Kaylin, if I were to add these together, because we're going to use the addition method, it's multiplication then addition, what do I get when I add 14x plus the 3x?
You get 17x, and then you cross out the 4y.
Oh, she's ambitious. She's taking off on us. So the next step, yes, is the 4, or the positive 4, and then you add it to a -4. Those do what?
Get crossed out.
They get crossed out or canceled out. So now we just have 17x. That's canceled out. And then what do we get when we take 19 and, oh, you know what I did? Nobody caught it. When you do 2 times -1, Mr. Nemo wrote
Negative sign of 5.
a -1 up there. And it's supposed to be a -2, isn't it?
Yes.
Sorry. Well, I got a whole classroom full of kids. Nobody caught that.
Jay
Well, you're a
Sheffield.
teacher.
Don't be embarrassed.
You know Jay Sheffield.
So I get 17x, and then when I take the -2 and add it to 19, Eric, what do I get? 19 plus a -2?
Easy. I don't know.
17.
17, Eric. Nice try. So now I have 17x is equal to 17, and the goal of all algebra is to get what by itself?
Divide.
Get what by itself?
X.
The x, right? And so in order to do that, yes, you're right, John, you have to divide. So I divide by 17, that becomes a 1x, right? Oops. Or just x. This is adult algebra, so we don't have to put the 1 there. And then whatever I do to the left, I got to do to the
Eric ain't right.
right. So 17 divided by 17 is just 1. So now we take,
Now you got to solve for y, peeps.
real quick, we pick anything one. So we got 7x plus 2y, and now I'm in hurry mode because I'm running out of time. But if I take my x and I plug it in, so I got now 7 plus 2y is equal to 1. I took the x and I plugged it in, and I subtract 7. Don't move the mouse, please. And then I got 2y is equal to a -6, right? So in case you're wondering, sorry, the bell rang. I had to dismiss students. We're back now, and I noticed there was a mistake. We had make sure that was a -1. So, and we substituted in 1 for x, and so then we just got 7 down there because 7 times 1 is 7. And when we subtract over here, we get a -8 divided by 2 divided by 2. Y is equal to -8 divided by 2, which is -2.